Hi, so the test will be second week back. That's on the 15th of June during the Monday. That will be the Monday. And so we need to do the last bit of revision, and that's chapters 3.2 and 3.3, which is obviously the acids and bases, and we have photosynthesis and respiration. So it's just a case of going to, well, don't forget to attendance, then week 7 revision. So let's go in there and week 7 revision. I've now switched on these two. That's 3.2, 3.3. Do as many questions as you can, preferably up to question 11. And then today, when you finish, you can open that up and check all your answers from these three sections. And there's also some, we'll most probably work on those on Friday. Okay. When we get back, well, actually, maybe Friday I might set you up for a prac write up. Hopefully, you got your prac book. So check to see where your prac books are. So there's a piece of homework. Find your prac book. If you haven't got one, buy one. News agency. Don't forget, if you need any help, please ask. And that's it. Have a good day.